What idea? What that is? I think it's just a plain old mushroom, nothing spectacular. There's ones you see over and over and over again. And I think these are the inky cap or the meridius. Look at these guys. What kind of fungus is that? I like the trees growing out of the, isn't that cool? These trees growing out of the stump. The best nutrients you could possibly ask for. Come on, babies, where you at? Oh, let me find here. Oh, yeah. That is Centiculus foensecki, I believe. You know what? That might be the Paniolus, actually. I don't find too many of those. You can tell by the little spots and the little bit of brown. I think this is a Centiculus. Just can't believe how many are out here. It's just amazing, and I haven't even really... What do we got here? What's this? What this is? Oh, that's the one I found yesterday. It's just a different shape. Here's some more of the inky cap. I'm not sure what this guy is, but we'll see. It looks very peculiar. We got this guy here. That is the same one I found yesterday. We're gonna look all these up and memorize them, and but that still doesn't mean it is what you think it is.